Hey guys, it's Vonshae, and I just received my ultra thin LED lights. Let's get them open now. Affiliate marketing is when you get affiliated with other companies that already have the products and services. Hey guys, it's Vonshae, and I just received my electric spin scrubber. This is it. This is how it's packaged. This is what it looks like. And all you do is promote. So you just promote their products, promote their services, and promote it through your own link. And then when you make sales or referrals through your link, you get a commission. The smaller one is 13 by 9, and the bigger one is 15 by 10. So these are how they look. So you don't have to create your own product. That's the hardest part. A lot of beginners struggle with getting going. So to ease some of their struggle and ease some of their pain, you want to get connected with people that already got something going, and that way all you have to do is market. As you're marketing and you're starting to build your experience with generating sales, then you can move into creating your own product. I wonder, can y'all hear me with this microphone? Let me see the microphone right here. As you learn how to do marketing, and you learn how to really start generating sales through your link, even if it's somebody else's products, at least you're getting your feet wet and you're learning how to make money. When other people have created the products, they have to do the fulfillment, they have to do all the customer service, and you don't have to be worried about nothing but generating sales to your link, generating traffic. And so the main key in anything online is learning traffic. You have to learn how to drive traffic to something that you want people to do. So the whole goal you need to do is you need to find out, where do people reside? First, you need to find out, what do you want to promote? Who do you want to get connected to? Do I want to get connected to people that already fitness trainers, and I want to just promote the fitness program? Oh, okay. Wait, you're supposed to pull your leads up. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. And I don't have to be the fitness trainer. I just want to promote the fitness program. Or do I want to get connected to other make money online people, and I don't have to create the program. I just want to connect with somebody that's doing a good job at teaching it. And that way I just push it because I know I'm pushing a good product. And then I get commissions every time I make a sale of that product. So the first thing you got to do is find out what you want to promote. A lot of people start out wanting to build from scratch. They want to build their own thing. That takes a lot of time. And most of the time it takes for you to build something, a person will quit before they even get through building it, because you have to go into a situation knowing marketing. When you educate yourself, when you start investing in this, investing in that, and paying for this, paying for that, pay for marketing, pay to learn how to, because marketing, it doesn't matter what business you jump in, the principles and the foundation is still the same. So you can jump over here in fitness, you could jump over here and make money, you could jump over here in credit repair. Marketing is marketing no matter what the niche is. See, that's what people don't understand. They join all these programs. They over here doing this. They over here joining this program. The next thing you know, they doing credit repair. Next thing you know, they doing life insurance. They never learn marketing. That's why they switching so much. They never got one thing going because they never knew marketing. If you don't know marketing doing life insurance, you ain't going to know marketing doing credit repair. You still ain't going to know marketing doing fitness. So you have to learn the foundation, the principles. And once you learn those principles and the foundation, all of it stays the same across any board. You know what I mean? Like the general formula is still the same across any platform, across any board. You just have to learn marketing. So there are tools that you can use to help your marketing, but you just have to learn the basic principles. If you can't bring somebody to do what you ask them to do, like you're trying to get people to sign up for this or sign up for that, then you have to you have to learn the steps, and then you have to learn what to work on. If somebody's not taking this step, I need to go back and fix this step. If somebody's not taking this step, okay, I don't have to go all the way back there, but I need to stop. So you have to learn that formula so you can learn what to fix so you can get closer to making some money. Affiliate marketing is one of the best keys when it comes down to beginners. Beginners, it's the easiest way to get to making some kind of money because you're not providing your own product. If you're trying to provide your own product, now you got to, the hardest part is when you create your own product, you got to create your product. Then you got to try to turn around and sell the product. Then you got to try to turn around and do customer service on the product. Then do you know how hard it is as a beginner to be trying to do all of that type of stuff and you don't even know, the first part of it? So the hardest part is doing all of the things. I'm always a believer in connecting with something that's bigger than myself. You want to connect with things that's bigger than you. And so you can always have a stream of income and you don't have to work as hard. Good to start with affiliate marketing if you really want to start making money, and then you have to just learn the right products to promote. So you want to get connected with things that's bigger than yourself and make sure that you learn affiliate marketing the right steps, because people are teaching you. I see a lot of people teaching a lot of things, and a lot of things they teaching, they're not necessarily teaching it all wrong, but they may be leaving things out. So things that help you continue making money, they left that part out. They might get you something that'll make you some money every other now and then. But stuff that's gonna continuously help you make money, they leaving that part out. They leaving that stuff. They don't say that part on YouTube. So if you're doing an Amazon affiliate marketing, once you start doing affiliates, you have a better chance as to getting approved for influencer, because these are levels. I always say there are levels to this thing. The levels, once you learn affiliate marketing and you build your own foundation and you build your own platform, you're building your own brand. So these people are contacting you because you have went out and took the time to build your brand to 20,000, 30,000, 100,000 on each platform. Now you got 100,000 followers on every platform, whichever platforms that you actually work on. When they see that, they say this person knows marketing because this person has built their own following. You might not even know marketing, but you done built your own following. As you doing it, you learning about how to do this and how to, every time I do something, I learn something else. The learning don't come from watching other people. The learning come from getting in the game and doing it yourself. That's how the learning come. I just did a live just a second ago. Soon as I ended the live, I learned something. The minute I ended the live that I just did a while ago, I learned something. So it came from doing what I was doing. It didn't come from watching somebody else's live. You know what I mean? Even though I watch other people's stuff, it comes from doing stuff. Every time you do something, you learn something else. Oh, how can I get better at this? How can I get better at that? So when you start deciding I want to do affiliate marketing, that don't mean that you don't want to create your own products. It just means that I need to get connected to something bigger than myself for right now. And then when I get connected, this is going to be a stream of income right here. Then when I create my own products, that's another stream of income. But if I say, okay, I don't forget that, how people say. People always say, I got my own this. But your own this is not making no money. But this is. You don't want to get connected to something that's making money because you got your own. That's not a good business mindset. A business mindset, that when the millionaires is thinking about business, they not telling you about one thing they got. They got my own this, they got my own that. These people on the internet, I start naming out names. Some people may know them, some people may not. But the people that I listen to on the internet, and I've been listening to people on the internet for a long time, they connected with each other. In this affiliate marketing game, all these people are connected with each other. They promote each other products. Because they know that they may have their own product. Everybody's not going to buy your own product. So you connect with other people. So even if they don't buy yours, they buy somebody else's. You connected to them and you promote them. So you still get money even when your product wasn't making no money. That's a mindset. Too many people don't have that mindset because they're so busy trying to outdo one another. Everybody's so busy trying to compete with each other and do all this. Meanwhile, the people at the top, They all connected with each other. They all working together. They all collabing with each other. They all connected on the platforms that have them connected. They pushing each other products on the back end. They may push 7 streams of income, 8 streams of income, 9 streams of income. That's what I'm talking about. They having all these streams of income, not just the one, my own.